Bonjour les étudiants, welcome back, hope you're fine, hope you're safe. And so today what we'll be doing is actually we'll be doing the dialogues of lesson 6, the translation. We got 3 dialogues, we'll be doing the translation. The next class we'll be doing the future sample and the compositions. Okay, so we'll finish this first, then we'll go for the exercises and the remaining exercises. We got 3 exercises, I think. We'll finish the 3 exercises, then we'll go for the composition part. Okay, so we'll start. So please take your rough notes. So hope you submitted your classworks, right? So you can just take note in your rough note, and then you can later copy in your classwork. So lesson 6, mon passe-temps. So my pastime. So we got 3 dialogues as I told you earlier. So dialogue A, dialogue B, and dialogue C. So the dialogue A, it's actually a conversation between Ravi and Amir. So they both are friends. So they are talking about their pastime, so their hobbies and so on, what they do during their free time. So I'll just read it once in French, then we'll go for the translation. By then you can get ready. So dialogue A. Ravi, qu'est-ce que tu fais le week-end? Amir, je fais du sport. Je joue au cricket et au basketball avec mes copains. Et toi? Ravi, moi je joue du piano le week-end et j'apprends aussi la peinture. It's page number 67. Oui, page number 67 and 68. So the last line, moi je joue du piano le week-end et j'apprends aussi la peinture. So Amir, quoi? Tu ne fais pas de sport? Tu n'aimes pas le sport? Ravi, si, le soir, je fais du cricket avec mes frères dans la rue. Souvent, je lis des bandes dessinées. Parfois, j'écris des lettres à mes copains. Amir, moi, je regarde souvent le sport à la télé. J'aime beaucoup les jeux vidéo et j'écoute tout le temps de la musique. Ravi, un vrai passionné de musique. So this is what the dialogue A is. So now we'll translate dialogue A. So Ravi. So the names you can write as it is. Okay, so those are Indian names anyway. Ravi, qu'est-ce que tu fais le week-end? So what you do on weekend? So what you do on weekends? So it's normally a regular question, a general question. So it will be in present tense. We don't precise which weekend. So the following weekend or the previous weekend. So we don't use passé composé or future. So we'll be just using present tense. So it means generally what you do on weekend. So qu'est-ce que tu fais le weekend? So what you do on weekend. Amir, je fais du sport. Je joue au cricket et au basketball avec mes copains. Et toi? I do sport. Okay, I do sport. Or I practice sport. You can even write I practice or I do sport, it's fine. Je joue au cricket et au basketball avec mes copains. I play cricket and basketball with my friends. I do cricket, I do sport, I play cricket and basketball with my friends. And you? So Ravi, moi je joue du piano le week-end et j'apprends aussi la peinture. Me, I play piano on weekend. And I also learn painting. Peinture, which means painting. And I also learn painting. So I repeat the whole sentence. Me, I play piano on the weekend. And I also learn painting. So now the next page, Amir, the dialogue continues. Quoi? Tu ne fais pas de sport? Tu n'aimes pas le sport? So quoi, which means what? Okay, so because he wasn't talking about sport, so he just says what? Quoi? What? Tu ne fais pas de sport? You don't do sport? You don't practice sport? You don't do sport? Question mark. Tu n'aimes pas le sport? You don't like sport? So what? You don't do sport? You don't like sports? Question mark. So Ravi is answering. Si, si, le soir, je fais du cricket avec mes frères dans la rue. Souvent, je lis des bandes dessinées. Parfois, j'écris des lettres à mes copains. So si, si, which means like the questions are in negation, right? So we'll be saying S, S. Okay, so S, yes, the evenings, right? The evening. I play cricket with my brothers in the street. So S, yes. So the evening, I play cricket with my brothers in the street. Souvent, je lis des bandes dessinées. Souvent, je lis des bandes dessinées. So I often read some comics. I often read some comics. So bande dessinée, which means comics. I often read some comics. Parfois, j'écris des lettres à mes copains. Parfois, so which means at times or sometimes. At times, I write some letters to my friends. So sometimes I write letters to my friends. I write letters or I write some letters. Right? I write some letters to my friends. So I'll repeat the whole thing. Yes, yes. The evening I play cricket with my brothers in the street. I often read some comics. At times I write some letters to my friends. So now Amir's dialogue. Moi, je regarde souvent le sport à la télé. Me, I often watch sports in the television. Me, I often watch sports in the television. J'aime beaucoup les jeux vidéo. I love video games a lot. Jeux vidéo, which means video games. I love video games a lot. Et j'écoute tout le temps de la musique. Et j'écoute tout le temps de la musique. And I listen to music all the time. And I listen to music all the time. So the last dialogue of dialogue A. Ravi, he says, ah, un vrai passionné de musique. So you can write as O-H. O, a true music lover with an exclamatory. O, a true music lover. So yes, so I'll just repeat the whole dialogue once in English. Okay, so please check if you have written correctly. So Ravi, so what you do on weekend? Amir, I do sport. I play cricket and basketball with my friends. And you? Ravi, me, I play piano on weekend. And I also learn painting. Amir, what? You don't do sport? You don't like sport? Ravi, yes, yes. The evening, I play cricket with my brothers in the street. I often read some comics. Parfois, at times, I write some letters to my friends. Amir, me, I often watch sport in the television. I like video games a lot. And I listen to music all the time. Ravi, oh, a true music lover. So now we'll move to dialogue B, Dialog B. So again, it's a conversation between Amir and Ravi. So in this dialogue, we'll be using future sampler. Okay, so you can just look at the verbs, I'll tell you. I'll read it once, then I'll explain you. So Ravi, est-ce que tu seras libre demain matin? Pardon, est-ce que tu seras libre samedi matin? Amir, le matin, non. L'après-midi, oui. Je serai libre. Mais pourquoi? Ravi, tu viendras chez moi? Tu pourras voir mon nouvel ordinateur portable. Amir, bien sûr. C'est un cadeau d'anniversaire. Amir, ah, tu as de la chance. Dis alors, à quelle heure est-ce que je viens chez toi? Ravi, à midi, nous déjeunerons ensemble. Amir, d'accord, à demain. So this is it. So in this dialogue, they have used 2, 3. So in 5 places, okay, so in 5 places they have conjugated a verb in future sampler. So the first line, tu seras libre, okay, sera, it's actually the verb être, which is conjugated in future sample. SCR is the radical and AS is actually the ending. And so the second line, again, so the verb être is conjugated, je serai libre, which means I will be free. I will be free. In English, it's simple. We just use will in front of the verb, then it becomes future. And in French, actually, it's a bit complicated. Future proche, you remember, right? Future proche will be having the verb aller, then we'll be conjugating the verb in infinitive form. Okay, we'll be writing infinitive form. For example, je vais être, je vais être. But future sampler, so it's not the same. So we'll be using a radical. You got to remember the radical same way like you do for the passé composé. You remember the past participles, right? So same way for future sample, you got to remember the radicals. Then the endings. The endings are easy. It's actually the verb avoir in present tense. Okay, so we'll say it the next class. So now we'll translate this. So Ravi, est-ce que tu seras libre samedi matin? So it's in future. So we'll be asking like, will you be free Saturday morning? Okay, so will you be free the Saturday morning? Or you can even write, you will be free the Saturday morning. So intonation or the inverse, right? Will you be free Saturday morning? Or you will be free Saturday morning. Amir, le matin, non. So M, so it's actually HMM in English. Yeah, so le matin, no. Okay, so the morning, no. Right, the morning, no. L'après-midi, oui. The afternoon, yes. Okay, the afternoon, yes. So he says Monday I'm not free. I mean morning I'm not free. Afternoon, yes, I'm free. Okay, so that's what he says. Le matin, the morning, no. The afternoon, yes. Je serai libre. I will be free. So we are using future sample again. I will be free. Je serai libre. I will be free. Mais pourquoi? Mais pourquoi? But why? Okay, mais pourquoi? But why? Question mark. So Ravi, tu viendras chez moi? Tu viendras. So viendra, it's actually the verb venir, which is conjugated in future sample. So the radical, it's V-I-E-N-D-R. Okay, V-I-E-N-D-R. It's the radical of the verb venir for future sample. Tu viendras chez moi. So you will come to my house. Okay, you will come to my house. Tu pourras voir mon nouvel ordinateur portable. Tu pourras voir mon nouvel ordinateur portable. So tu pourras. So again they have used future simple. Pourra, it's actually the verb pouvoir. Right? Pouvoir. So the radical is P-O-U-R-R. Okay, P-O-U-R-R is the radical of the verb pouvoir. So you got to remember all the radicals of the irregular verbs. For the regular verbs, the ER ending verbs, it's simple. The infinitive form is the radical. Yeah, so the infinitive form, for example, parler, P-A-R-L-E-R, it's the infinitive form. So the same thing will be for the radical, P-A-R-L-E-R, then we'll be adding the endings. So we'll continue. Tu pourras voir mon ordinateur, mon nouvel ordinateur portable. So in English it's easy, you could see. Okay, you could see my new laptop. You could see my new laptop. Ordinateur portable. Ordinateur means computer. Portable means a portable computer. Okay, which means a laptop. So you could see my new laptop. So actually I repeat the same thing, the whole line. Tu viendras chez moi. You will come to my house? Question mark. You could see my new laptop. Amir. Bien sûr. So bien sûr, which means of course. So of course I will come. Okay, so of course we stop. So Ravi, c'est un cadeau d'anniversaire. Okay, Ravi says it's a birthday gift. It is a birthday gift. So now Amir says, ah, tu as de la chance. Dis alors, à quelle heure est-ce que je viens chez toi? So, ah will be translated like O, O-H, exclamatory. Tu as de la chance. Tu as de la chance, c'est une expression avec le verbe avoir. You are lucky. Okay, we don't literally translate that line. You are lucky. Tu as de la chance, which means you are lucky. Dis alors. So, dis alors, which means so tell me. Okay, so tell me. Dis alors, which means so tell me. À quelle heure est-ce que je viens chez toi? At what time I come to your house? At what time you come to your, at what time I come to your house? So I repeat, oh, you are lucky. So tell me, at what time I come to your house? Ravi, à midi, nous déjeunerons ensemble. So at noon, question mark. Okay, at noon, nous déjeunerons ensemble. So again, we are using the future simple. You can see the verb déjeuner. Right? As I told you, so the ER ending verbs, the radical will be the same as the infinitive form. So you can see déjeuner, D-E accent, J-E-U-N-E-R, déjeuner. And then the ending, O-N-S. Right? The endings will be A-I, A-S, A-A, O-N-S, E-Z, O-N-T, O-N-T. So for nous, it's actually O-N-S, right? So déjeunerons. We will have lunch. Okay, we will have lunch together. Ensemble, together. We will have lunch together. So at noon, question mark, we will have lunch together. Amir, d'accord, à demain. D'accord, which means okay or agreed. See you tomorrow. Samir says, see you tomorrow. So now it's dialogue C. Okay, fine. I'll just repeat dialogue B once again. So the whole thing in English. So please check. Ravi, will you be free the Saturday morning? Amir, the morning no, the afternoon yes. I will be free. But why? Ravi, you will come to my house? You could see my new laptop. Amir, of course. Ravi, it's a birthday gift. It's a birthday gift. Amir, oh, you are lucky. So tell me, at what time I come to your house? Ravi, at noon. We will have lunch together. Amir, okay, see you tomorrow. So now it's dialogue C. It's actually the continuation. So fine. So the dialogue B and C are not related to the lessons heading, but still. So it's actually a conversation in Ravi's house. Okay, so Ravi, Samita, and Ravi is there also, Amir, and also Ravi's mom is there. Okay, so Amir starts. Okay, Amir knocks the door maybe. Okay, bonjour, Ravi est là. Okay, so Amir starts. Okay, bonjour, Ravi est là. Samita, okay, so actually Samita is maybe the sister of Ravi. So she's opening the door and she says yes. Okay, Ravi is there. But who are you? Okay, so EH in English, right? So which means she doesn't know. So she's like hesitating. Okay, so Amir, he introduces himself. Je m'appelle Amir. Je m'appelle Amir, and Ami the Ravi, a friend of Ravi or Ravi's friend. Maman, oh, entre Amir et assis-toi. J'appelle Ravi. Okay, here we have conjugated the verb appeler, not s'appeler. Okay, so when you use s'appeler, it's actually my name is. Okay, here actually it's j'appelle Ravi. I call Ravi. I call Ravi. So Ravi, salut Amir. So Amir is there. Salut Amir. Maman, c'est mon copain. Amir, il est champion du cricket. He is a cricket champion. So maman, bonjour Amir. Amir, bonjour madame. So this is what the conversation is. I hope it's over. Yeah, of course it's. Okay, so we'll now translate. Excusez-moi. Amir, bonjour, good day or good morning. Ravi is there. Ravi is there. Ravi est là. Okay, so Ravi is there. Question mark. Samita is. Donc point de suspension. So dot. Then EH. I mean EH in English. So she's just thinking. So who are you? Okay. Wait. So that way. S. Amir. Je m'appelle Amir, un ami de Ravi. My name is Amir, a friend of Ravi. My name is Amir, a friend of Ravi. So maman, okay, so mom comes there. Okay, so mom, she says, okay, so or you can just write OH itself. Entre Amir et assis-toi. Come in, Amir. Okay, so she welcomes in. Come in, Amir, and sit down. Assis-toi, which means sit down. J'appelle Ravi. I call Ravi. So I'll repeat. Come in, Amir, and sit down. I call Ravi. Ravi. So Ravi is there. Salut Amir. Hi Amir. Maman, c'est mon copain. Mom, it's my friend. Amir. Okay, so mom, it's my friend. Amir. Il est champion du cricket. He is a cricket champion. He introduces his friend, right? So, hi Amir. Mom, this is my friend. Or it's my friend, Amir. He is a cricket champion. So mom, bonjour Amir. So now mom is greeting again. Okay, so good day Amir. Okay, so bonjour Amir, which means it got a lot of meanings. Okay, so nice to meet you even. Okay, so good day Amir. So Amir greeting back. Bonjour madame. Good morning ma'am. Okay, so I'll just repeat it once again in English, so please check. So Amir, good day. Ravi is there. Samita, yes, yes. So Amir, je m'appelle Amir, un ami de Ravi. My name is Amir, a friend of Ravi. Mamo, oh, come in, Amir, and sit down. I call Ravi. Ravi, hi Amir. Mom, this is my friend Amir. He is a cricket champion. Mom, oh, good day, Amir. So, Amir, good day, ma'am. So, that's it. Okay, so that's it for today. So, please write the dialogue. Please copy the dialogue in your notebook, and hope you have received the pattern and portion. Okay, so it'll be the 2 lessons, 5 and 6, I repeat. And so please prepare properly. Yeah, so this time there's a small change in the pattern, so we don't have question answers. The question answers we'll have it for the quarterly, halfly, annually. Okay, for the midterms we'll have just the basic ones. And we also finished the other lesson. So what is remaining, it's actually the opposites, the 3 exercises and the composition. Okay, so we'll try to finish this week or the other. Okay, so merci beaucoup. Right, so be safe.